Morning students. Today we are going to discuss about the concept of how to attend the board exam. So few tips I am going to give for your board exam. Let us start. Is last minutes tips for the CBSE 10th. So maths exam, for maths exam. Revise important formulas and theorems. Yes, you should prepare for the formulas. Then only you will attend the exam without any hesitation. Okay. So practice previous year question papers. Yes, you are going to practice the previous year question paper as well as the example papers, example sums and exam NCERT portion sums. Everything you should prepare. Then only you will attend the exam without any doubts. Okay. So focus on your weakness. Yes, we have some weakness because difficulty question we are going to feel like a very weak. So that condition of questions we are going to practice more. Then only we attend the question carefully. Yes. Next, don't panic. Yes, exam coming to the near means we are panic, and in the exam also some question we didn't know means we are panic. Correct. So don't panic. First, if you know the question, any one question, you are going to attend the first. Then you are going to come to the difficulty question. Because any kind of order we can write, not only the same order, that is from the 1 to the 38, not only that one, any kind of method you can write, but the question number should be you write in the correct order. Okay. Show all the steps. Show all that step means you are going to solve every questions means you are going to represent the answers clearly with all the steps. Okay. Read the instruction carefully. Yes, the instruction they are given before the start the exam, and also in the reading of the questions. So you should prepare. You are going to read the question clearly and observe the question and understand the question. What is the question meaning is that? So then only you will start the exam without any hesitation and any confusion. Okay, you should read the question without any clarification. Okay, so recheck your answer. Yes, if you complete the exam, you should recheck your answer. So for that, you are going to spend the time for it, because then only if any one mistake will be there means we can correct that. So you should allot the time for the recall 10 minutes. Next, what are the type of questions will be there? So totally remembering and understanding concept, 43 marks they asked in the public exam. That is in the total 80 marks, 54%. In the total 80 marks, 54% will be there. Next, applying. Applying means if you understand the concept, you are going to apply in the question. What is the question they asked? That question you are going to write means you are going to applying the answers. So applying concept they given the 24%. That is a mark of 19. Yes. Next. Yes, you are going to understand means you are going to create the answer. That means if you understand, you are going to write the answer. No, that is we are going to represent. That is higher order thinking. Higher order thinking question will be there. That is 22% of questions will be there. That is 18 marks. Yes. Next, weightage of the papers. That is chapter wise. I give the weightage here. Number system totally 6 marks. In a number system alone 6 marks. Algebra. In algebra, totally 4 chapter covered. First one polynomial, second one pair of linear equation, third one quadratic equation, fourth one arithmetic progression. These 4 chapters are covered from the algebra. So totally in the 4th chapter, 20 marks is there. Next, coordinate geometry alone 6 marks is there. Geometry 15 marks. In this geometry, we are going to say like triangles and circles. These 2 chapters are we are going to call the geometry. In this 2 chapters, 15 marks is allotted. Next, trigonometry. Trigonometry also the 2 chapters. One is introduction to trigonometry. Second one is application of trigonometry. In this both the chapter have 12 marks. Next, mensuration. In this mensuration concept, area related to circles and surface and volume. These 2 chapters will be there. So in this 2 chapters, totally 10 marks. Next, finally, statistics and probability. In this statistics and probability, totally 11 marks will be there. So in this 11 marks, you are going to attend very easily. Okay. So you should prepare at least statistics, probability, number system and algebra and coordinate geometry. In this concept alone, you get the 50% of marks in the exam. That is 40 marks will be there. Okay, so you should prepare accordingly. Blueprint. Yes, blueprint for the last this year, that is this year sample paper, based on the sample paper. In this based on sample paper, chapter wise they given number system. They given that totally 6 marks. No, so chapter wise they are given here one mark question, 1 2 mark question, and 1 3 mark questions. There is no 5 mark and 4 mark question. Next, polynomials alone, 1 mark questions, 1 3 mark question, totally 5 marks. And a pair of linear equation, 2 variables, 2 1 mark questions and 1 5 mark question. Next, quadratic equation, 1 mark question, 1 3 mark question, there is no 5 mark and 4 mark. Next, arithmetic progression, 1 5 mark is there and 1 4 mark is there. So totally 5 marks are there. Okay. So coordinate geometry, 2 1 marks and 2 marks, so totally 6 marks. Introduction to trigonometry, 2 1 marks, 1 2 marks, 1 3 marks, so totally 7 marks are there. Next is some application of trigonometry. There is no 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark, directly they given 5 mark question alone. Okay. So 5 mark question alone means that is height and distance concept. Correct? Opposite by adjacent we are going to use to find out the answer. Yes. Next is triangles. In triangles, 1 3 mark and 1 case study question. That is 4 mark questions there. Totally 7 mark questions are there. Next is circles, 3 1 marks and 1 5 mark question. Totally 8 mark are there. Next is area related to circles, 1 1 mark, 1 3 mark. So totally 4 mark are there. Next is surface and volume, 2 1 marks, 1 case study questions. So totally 6 marks are there. Next is statistics, 2 1 marks, 1 5 mark. Totally 7 marks are there. Probability, 2 1 marks, 1 2 marks. Totally 4 marks. So based on the concept we can see here. So in probability and statistics, number system, polynomial and coordinate geometry. These concepts alone if you prepare means we get the 50% of marks in the board exam. Okay. So prepare well and do the exam neat manner. So you get the good marks. And congrats to everyone. All the best. Thank you.